Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, let's climb out. Come on, man. You drug us out here. Come on. It's your idea. I don't see any squirrels.
He's in the garbage can.
Irving Nature Park.
He's in the garbage
It's all
can.
fogged in. Well, kick the garbage can. Grab him. Oh no, there he is, look.
Where is he?
Right there, eating a... He's eating a thing, look. Put gas in it. What's it say? A few simple safety steps must be followed. Don't see any gas in here. You can? Highlight, okay. This is off, low. Okay, to light. Make sure all burner control knobs are at the off position. Turn the burner control knob closest. Turn on. Turn the burner control knob. Okay, so Irving put these up here. In the off position. High. I'm guessing. You can bring your own stuff. I would say. Did it work?
How do wells work?
Gravity, man, gravity.
You just plugged them in.
Please don't. You have to do this, and I don't know what you do.
Well,
No.
bring it up. Down.
Oh, just keep doing that?
Yeah, you gotta prime it.
Now what?
There you go. That's how they used to get water out of the wells years ago. No, you take a grape, yeah, just like that.
You should drink it.
Well, you probably could, I don't know. Could you?
It says that's what it's for.
There's Irving there, J.D. Irving. It's after the place.
Oh, still?
Irving.
Do you know it?
Uh-huh. Yeah, that's how you get water.
Did you leave that on?
No, I never had it on. And you prime it. Just like that. And the pump comes out of it. When it comes out, the water from the Irving Nature Park. Just like that. There goes the Irving now. The girl just here and changed the garbage. There is wild tomatoes here. And roses. I want to check something though. Where are the barbecues at? I think you gotta tell them you're on. They're coming out. Oh no, it's hooked up. It's hooked up to the natural gas. Let's see if it works. Let's see if they work. Okay, they're off right now. Turn this on. Turn this on high. There it goes. And there she goes. Irving supplies barbecues to natural gas here at the park. This one's running. Just got it going finally. It's pretty cool. So I'll turn it off now. Close it up. That's awesome. Free barbecue. Surrounded by wild tomatoes. And wild roses. And the squirrel's yelling at me somewhere. It's all fogged in up here. Yeah, it works. They're hooked up to the thing.
Yeah.
To the natural